Hello guys, welcome back to Quick Guide, and in this video I am going to talk about how can you unhide a conversation into your Google Chat. So without any further ado, let's dive right into this exciting video. Now, in order to unhide your conversation in Google Chat, you just simply have to open your chat application. And after opening the chat application, you will get to see this homepage. First of all, you have to remember the username of the chat which you have hidden. Now, just simply tap to search bar and then search for the username or email address of the person that you have hid. And after that, the matching suggestions will be appear into your screen. Just simply select the profile and then tap to the profile picture of the person. If the chat that you have selected is hidden, this option of unhide conversation will appear. Tap to unhide conversation and then the chat will successfully be unhide. This way you can also unhide your chat. I hope this video helped you. If yes, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel to never miss another update. Thank you for watching the video.